Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Xiaomi Mi 2 Pro true wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them and clear out all the Wi-Fi pairing history. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. If these earbuds are not connecting to Wi-Fi or to Bluetooth, or they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if you're having any kind of issues like this where they keep disconnecting, you're getting sound out of only the left ear or the right ear, a lot of this can be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're willing to set them up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set these earphones up on a new phone or a new device, we can go ahead and get a fresh start as if they were brand new earbuds. All we need to do is put the earbuds in their case, and once they're in their case, we're going to come and we're going to press this button on the side of the case that's right here. Just press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Now you'll see at a certain point this light will turn off. It will turn back on, it may be blinking, and when it comes back on solid white, we know that the reset is complete and we can go ahead and set up our earbuds as a new set of earbuds.